Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Ubisoft. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubisoft.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ubisoft website. Now from the homepage, click on the account icon at the top right corner and you will now be asked to log in. Just click on create an account and now you can enter your date of birth. Type it in and click on the continue button and you will now be asked to enter your desired email address. After typing it in, type this email once again for confirmation and you can now set up your preferred password for your account. Go ahead and type in your desired password and you can also choose your Ubisoft username. Finally, click on the I accept button for the terms of use and privacy policy. You can then click on create account and once you click on it, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your inbox. So just check the inbox of the email address that you used and you will now find your security code. Just enter this code within the given box and then click on the create account button and now your account has been created and you will now be able to use these credentials in order to sign into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Ubisoft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.